I definitely feel it anytime I...
Time 30 minutes, 37 seconds.
Okay, we are getting ready to go. I have split my big backpack up into my day bag, which I can no longer wear, and that. So I'm gonna have to ship 2 bags for a little while. We need to find coffee. Stat. Didn't sleep okay. Squeaky bed and creaky floors. Can you hear them? It's a squeaky house. So whatever. More from the trail. Talk to you soon. Neck warmer here. In Astorga, which is nice. And I got this fleece beanie, and finally got a hat. I'll show you. We are just heading out of town, and where's she going? And we're off, and it's much nicer morning this morning. Only have one jacket on, and we have an uphill day today. 51 degrees out. It's a lot warmer than 45. So we're making our way out of Astorga. We had a very nice time here, and now we're just on the hunt for coffee, which we may not find. Maybe not for a couple kilometers. Okay. We found a coffee shop. Oh my God. Maybe.
Pero prácticamente no esperamos precipitación, no descartamos algún.
Hey, Bella. Oh my God. Everybody. Spain versus Switzerland. I think this would be. Anyway, the girls are playing today. It's all over the news. You need to watch the Spain-Swiss girls soccer game today. Gotta watch it. Gotta watch it. I am gonna miss this beautiful soccer game. Oh my God. Oh, what this animal is now. It could be like at first glance a horse, right? And then a little closer, maybe a pig, maybe a donkey. I think they tried to make a universal animal here. What do you think? Okay. We are coming to a split in the road, and a chapel, and a beautiful sunrise over here. A beautiful sun.
Could you remove this for me?
One moment. Yep. Yeah. Let me get my beautiful sunrise. Holy smokes, is it gorgeous? Here are the pilgrims coming. Here they come. Come on, pilgrims. Come on. And then we have this beautiful.
But this one is nice too. You want to piss me off? Take a picture. Wow, look the sky.
God. So Francine and I have been walking in relatively flat ground for the last 2 weeks, and I call it the meseta. And now things are going to change. We're going to have hills now, which we haven't had for a couple of weeks. We may get grumpy, or we may embrace it. I don't know. But we're entering my favorite part of the Camino, which is the area around Galicia. And look at the sunrise behind me. Damn! I I noticed in front of me, everything's pink. Even Francine's pink. So I look around and look at the sky. It's just getting better and better. Pretty town. This is the town I stayed in last time. Hotel's right down the road and it's spilled out right down there. It's spilled out right on the Camino. My God, just look at that. Look at the sunrise. Come on, it doesn't get much better than that. Okay. We're in Murias de Recavaldo. Not normally a hat I would have chosen, but I didn't really have a whole lot of options. They had a Solomon hat that was like $50. Looked just very much like this one. But I settled for my $14 Amazon hat any day with my 2 chicken feathers that I sewed on it. But it's okay. I'm gonna grow to love this hat. It's a budding relationship, so let's give it a try. And
Time 2 hours.
all right, we have a Rabanal de Camino. That's where we're going today. 11 more kilometers. Grazie. Woohoo! This lady right here. Yeah, that slow one right there. So, this next bug here, I've been looking for quite a number of days. He crawls, but then he uses his tail to kind of push him up a little bit more. It's cute. He's very cute. He's like in the middle of some evolutionary change, I think. Coming to our first stop. We're coming in on this trail here. You are here. We're going to go through a town called Santa Catalina. And we've gone 9 kilometers.
We have 9.
Yep. Layla, look, Layla, that's a quince, right? That's a quince tree. We're coming into Santa Catalina. And we're gonna get an orange juice. Oh, I'm gonna get right up to that quince tree, Layla. Layla and boys from Leicester. Look at the quince. We are in Santa Catalina. And we're gonna get an orange juice because that just sounds so good. Oh, this is also an albergue. Very nice. Oh, look at the stuff. Banana, apple. Is that a Twinkie? There's no way. I'm staying away from processed foods too on this trip. I've not had a single potato chip or soda. Woo! A little over halfway there. We've got a slow, gradual uphill today, which is better than I thought it was going to be. I think the 2 girls behind me are from Ireland. Yeah. Toenails are working out just fine. Lots and lots and lots of pilgrims on the road. Probably 100 in front of us. 150
Do that.
in the back. We're on our way to Rabanal, which is this way up this street and soon to be very steep uphill. No problem. El Gonzo. Now begins our uphill. Gonna get real hard after this. 2 kilometers only going uphill, 2 kilometers. It's better than going uphill 18.
Air go in my.
Baby cow, baby cow. We are so there.
Bye, Danny.
Yeah, man, that's how she rolls. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay?
I just said all that and I hadn't hit record. We just checked in and I was expecting to get the room at the balcony over there in the main site where all the pilgrims come in, but she led me off site about 75 meters into this room, which has no balcony. And what can you do? I was looking forward to this the most of all. I was looking forward to that balcony since March. But there's nothing I can do about it now at all. So make the best of it and take a shower and get on with the day. Wait till you see the food. Right here, I just took a shower. Right here is a little courtyard, and this little building here is where they've housed me. And that's not where I wanted to be. I'll show you where I wanted to be. And I was told that I had a balcony and I don't have one. So here's where I wanted to be. Look at here is where I thought I would be housed. Here's where I thought, this is where I had dreamed of being for 6 months. Or I could sit, where I can sit up here on the balcony, watch the pilgrims come in. But it's just not gonna happen.
Yeah, from what I understand, you want to get that early enough to avoid any tour buses. I don't know.